AGL Plastic.
Good morning, everyone. I'm JK, Sales Manager of AGL Plastic. Let's go directly to today's topics. I would like to share more information about the drinking safe hoses that is for camping, for marine, and also for caravans. So right now, AGL also have a new product going to launch in the summer holiday in China that is for camping purposes. And for domestic markets, there are lots of people that want to have a drinking safe hose that is for camping during summer holiday and winter holiday. So in Guangdong, you will see most of the drinking safe materials is imported from the overseas, like from US or from Europe. But for these developed regions, the cost of exportation and also the cost of the products would be very expensive. That is much more than the cost that we can produce in-house in China. So right now, AGL is going to launch such a drinking safe hose for the students, for the parents, and even for in-house drinking purpose. So today we will just put our topic or spotlights into our new series of drinking safe or NSF certified garden hoses, or we can say drinking water hose. For the drinking water hose, in the aftermarket, you will see also some professional brands like Humor, like Discus and Gardena. They have such a series of drinking safe hose. But in the domestic markets, you will not see anyone who have such kinds of materials. Well, but at least AGL has the formula, also the new materials of drinking safe PVC composite materials. So it's not only for marine use, it's not only for caravan. We also developed a new series that with different shape that you could lay directly on the ground. It looks like a free tube, like this one, a free tube drinking safe hose, but it will be with a white color. And you may be asking about why we use a white color instead of other colors like transparent green or other colorful designs. Because for us, a white formula, or what we call a white resin, that means you cannot reuse or use recycled materials. That is not allowed to use or apply for drinking safe hose. So we would only use white color with some stripes on the surface, or maybe like this one. We also have this one, okay, with the connectors, with fittings, so it could connect to the water tap directly. Then, in the end of this year, you will see there will be two kinds or two shapes of drinking safe hoses that would be available in some professional tour shops like Stanley, Humor, Discus, Gardena, Bunnings in Australia, and Hornbach in Europe. You could get these products only from the professional tour shops. You cannot get such materials from some supermarkets or some night markets, because that is a high-end product that is only for drinking water safe. But it also has the same burst pressure, or we could say a standard working pressure, or burst strength like 300 psi. In the United States, they would like to call 20 bar. Then is efficient or enough for your daily use. So you could use to your general water tap in house or outdoor. Then you could use it for entertainment, for drinking, for swimming, for holiday. So you could carry a load of drinking safe hose like this one. In your car during your holiday season on vacation, then you want to go out and to enjoy the camping, then you would like to carry such a load. We have different length and different size. So for Europe, we have the half-inch inner diameter, and for the American markets, then we have the 5/8 inch. That is the standardized size for your water tap. Then you could connect to your water tap directly. Then if in Europe, then we will give you the plastic connectors that is made of the ABS and TPR safe drinking materials also, and with different shape. So we are going to change it with white color like this one, and to match the hose color, so it would have the same color. The fitting would have the same color as the hose body. So it will be a matching product. So for the United States, Canada, and Mexico, then they would use such kinds of couplings. And let me show you this. This is California Proposition 65 compliant materials. That is one. So it uses brass couplings with female and male. Then we would like to add 2 ribs for you to easy handle, and it could avoid the bending issue at the water tap or the trigger gun. So it is easy to fasten to your water tap like this one. Your water tap would be like this one, so it could connect directly to the water tap. This one. Let's see. This is a water tap. One. And remove it. This is your water tap. Female coupling, and to connect to your water tap directly. Then at this end with a male coupling, then it could connect to your spray gun or your nozzle directly. And you could also use it to pour over the drinking water on your camp. Okay, then for drinking purposes. Okay, easy and go. It could avoid the bending issue when you pull it open. See, there's no bending issue. But if without these grips, the bending issue may happen. Let me show you why we have to add such a grip. Without this, then you will see there is a bending issue. Okay, what we call is a kink issue when you pull it open from the water tap. If you install a grip like this, okay, you could avoid the bending issue at the water tap. That is why we add such grips for you to easily handling and to avoid the bending issue. We have some new customers is asking about why we have to add such grips and increase the cost of the products, because we want our customers to enjoy such products. It's not only add a small piece of grips, it also could enhance the experience of usage. So the end customers would not mind a little more expensive, because for a full lines of drinking safe hoses, it is for high end, it is for entertainment, it is the main purpose is to make sure that their drinking water is safe enough. So in the aftermarkets, you may see some competitors or some other producers, they would like to use drinking safe materials for the inner layer that is white, and then the outer layer they might be use another kind of materials like transparent or like another colorful ones, because for the outer layer they could not guarantee, and they would not give you the warranty that full sets or the full accessories of the drinking safe hose